Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to learning you what is the basic C language syntax. Okay, so we are starting with basic syntax of C programming. Okay, if you want to learn C language, you have to know basic English language. First you have to write the header file, which is include studio.h and include conio.h. Okay, and one more thing, notice the spelling of studio. Okay, it is very important. Do not mistake in this. If you are mistaken this, your program is not working, your program is not going to run. So please properly remember the spelling. Okay, second one is include conio.h. I'll write it. Okay, this is the most basic header file in C language. Now I am going to write a full syntax of C programming. If you like the video, please like it and please motivate me for a next video. C language, yes. Okay, first header file include studio.h. Second one is include conio.h. Then main. Okay, these braces are very important. Then this call is open braces and close braces. Whatever program we are going to run, we have to write in the open and close braces. We have to write between this. So this is the basic syntax of C language. Okay, see, this is include then close braces. Please subscribe to my channel.